This is Caitlin.
Hi,
I'm Christina. Oh, sorry.
You're good.
2 girls, 1 cake. Okay, so basically we're gonna make cupcakes first.
Funfetti.
Yes, so we already went ahead and pre-mixed everything. We're gonna be scooping them into this muffin tin with these cute little Valentine Day, what do you call them?
Cupcake.
Muffin
Wrappers.
cupcake wrappers, yes. Okay, so do you want to get started?
Yeah.
You want to do it?
So what we'll be doing today is mostly frosting techniques. So today we're actually going to be it's okay, creating a rose cake. And
So the rose cake, we're going to be doing a pink dye. So we have this red color here, and we have our, whoa, this is like a baby. So we're going to be, we're going to, should I just start this now?
Yeah.
So I'm going to go ahead and put how many
We want to go
drops?
like least and then mix it.
Okay. Let's go 2.
2's good.
1.
We're trying to get
2.
that baby pink.
Yeah, we want a nice, cute pink. So I'm going to go ahead and get a spoon here. Spoon would be good, right? Versus like another.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and right now we're preheating the oven so we can eat some muffins. I mean, some cupcakes. Cupcakes, guys. Okay. So look at this.
There's an awesome new
So what we're going to be
What is
doing
that?
for the cupcakes are piping techniques. So we're going to be piping rose. And did you want to try succulents or?
We might try succulents depending on our mood.
Yeah.
I guess, I don't know. We don't know how hard the roses are going to be. So, yeah. So we got, hi. Who's here? Let's see.
Look who it is.
Who is it? Huh?
Heather.
Heather, is that you? Hi, Heather.
You pop up?
I can't see it in the chat room or anything, so I'm not sure. Okay, technical difficulties, so
Heather is awesome.
we love Heather. She tried my vegan pho on Tuesday. Oh, hi, Heather. Okay. So I'm just mixing the icing with color. I think I'm going to do 1 more drop.
Yeah.
It's me.
Maybe we'll try like.
It's me.
It's kind of like watercolor, guys. You just kind of want to ease on into it.
I'm going to do, I did 2 because I'm cray.
Might as well.
Okay. So let's see here. Okay. That vegan pho was so good. Yes, it was. You had some too, right?
Mm-hmm.
What'd you think?
I liked it a lot.
Yeah, and actually
I like the mushrooms the most because
Yeah.
they're just like so meaty. What was the mushrooms?
We use shiitake mushrooms, king oyster mushrooms, and oyster mushrooms. I think next time I would probably do king oyster mushrooms and shiitake mushrooms.
King oyster mushrooms.
Yeah. So you could get them at the Asian supermarket. They really don't have them at regular supermarkets, so.
What's the difference between a king mushroom
And a king oyster?
or king mushroom and a king or just a hitake?
They look different. So like an oyster mushroom looks kind of like a weird brain.
Really?
And then the king oyster mushroom looks like just a really tall, girthy mushroom.
Does it taste different?
I don't know. Actually, I think it's just the texture. I don't think it tasted too much. It tasted kind of the same, I think. I think I'm going to go, should I go 1 more drop?
Yeah.
Or are we good? This is some hard labor. Okay. So 1 more. And
Maybe because
then,
we have like 3 frostings.
okay, let's see. What else should I make, Heather? Who else is here? Okay, let's see. What? Yay! Okay,
Say
let's
hi.
see. Hi! Who's our other viewer? Can you see? I can't really see on my iPad who the other Okay, so this color is actually coming out really nicely. So you can kind of see it. I'm still mixing up. We just preheat the oven to 350. So I think it's ready.
Okay. This looks good.
Okay, so let's wipe this. Should we wipe it down a little bit? Or no? And then while we're baking the cupcakes, we'll go ahead and work on the cake. Wait, let's show them the.
Okay.
Do you guys want to see? So this is how full we had it. Can you see that? It's a funfetti with hearts. Okay, let's go ahead and put it in there. And then what's this one? Okay, wait. And then.
Okay, so we went out to our local Michael's, and actually we're going to be cutting the cakes. So as you can see over here, we kind of just like cut off the tops, just so that it can be really even when we start stacking it all. So first purchase, this one.
Okay, and we're gonna be doing a 3-layer cake. So yeah, we can put that over there. So first cake, should we go ahead and put some frosting on?
Yeah.
So we got this turntable.
Because we're baking DJs at our turntable.
Okay. So we're gonna put a little bit of frosting, I guess, right?
Just a dab. So we're gonna put a little dab, actually on the turntable, just so that it doesn't wiggle around.
That's good. Is that good? More?
A little bit more. It's a tiny bit.
More? You want more?
This should be fine.
Let me slap more on that.
Okay, that's pretty.
Okay. There.
Okay. And then another bit of frosting on the top of the cardboard. Cool.
Okay. There we go.
Let's see.
Hi, Renzia. How are you? Okay, let's see. Oh,
I'm
wait.
scared.
Are you gonna...
Should I flip it over?
Let me see. Yeah, I think flipping it over. Yeah, holding it like that. Oh, okay. Oops. Let's just tap that back in there. Wait, let's center it. Okay, there we go. Okay.
Made you guys want to do a cake.
So, we are doing this cake for our other roommate, Alex. Her birthday is tomorrow. She doesn't know, so hopefully she doesn't, get on here and watch us. But you know what? If she does, she'll be receiving it tomorrow. So it's fine. So let's go ahead and cut this other piece. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So, do you want to cut?
I'm nervous.
Don't be nervous.
Okay.
Do you want me to hold? Oh, here.
Yeah.
Teamwork. So go like this.
Oh, okay. So we want to do kind of like
Let's go
a
this way a little bit more.
sawing motion.
Yeah, sawing motion. Right here. There we go. There we go. Oh no! The little edge. And so this is vanilla, this is strawberry, and then we're gonna do vanilla on top. So it'll be like a vanilla strawberry. Oh, okay. We're gonna
Take this top apart.
We're gonna eat that later.
We're gonna make
What?
bread pudding with all
Bread
this
pudding.
excess. Doesn't that look nice? Just like how it was before and how it is now.
Okay. So wait, should I frost this whole like top or just a little bit?
Yeah. So
Little
we'll
bit?
do actually a base layer, so frosting.
Okay, so actually I'm gonna go ahead and take this icing spatula
Yeah.
that we bought from Michael's. I'm gonna take this. I don't even think this is pink enough, but I think for this it doesn't really matter, right? Oh wait, it does matter. We want it to look pretty when you cut into it.
No.
No?
Fine.
Okay. So let's see. I think we're gonna end up using too much of this. How much is too much?
No, we should put a whole lot.
Okay. Well, in that case. Bloop. Bloop. We got a live audience, you guys.
Woo!
They're just they're dead silent right now, but now.
We love the show.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. Hi everyone. I'd love to see you in the chat. How did everyone find me? It was probably the clickbait, huh? Two girls, one cake. You want to try?
Sure.
Okay, I'll keep stirring this. Oh, here.
Perfect.
Okay, so
we are not master
yeah.
bakers yet. This is our first time. My first time even making a 3-layer cake.
This is my first time baking cake at all, so we'll see how it.
Whoa, what happened?
Whoa! The little bag just farted. There was air in it. Okay, so we're gonna continue. So I think, you know what we should do? Should we like fill in those little areas or no? Well, or should we just do the roses first?
Boop.
Yeah.
Boop. Boop.
There we go. Okay, so I think I should like clean up this mess we have here. Just because, I mean. So we have these cupcakes here. We're gonna be eating, but we don't have enough frosting, I don't think. So should we eat them naked or should we get frosting? Let me know in the chat.
Julie is on.
Hi, Julie. Say hi. Okay, I'm gonna toss these. Okay. Yeah, this is a little mess. Okay. Let's go ahead and toss this. Should I make some tacos while you do that?
Sure.
Do you need more frosting?
Naked.
Naked?
Gerard's.
Gerard says naked. Okay, let's see. My chat's not showing up here.
We should have enough of that.
Let me see.
Yeah, we should, huh?
Where do you get your shirt at?
Oh, so I got my shirt from my friend Tiffany. She had like a whole bag of stuff that. How much would you pay for this? $5? I'm just
that's
kidding.
Much.
Homemade cake? Yeah,
I'm just kidding.
That.
We're indie cake makers.
Yeah. Entrepreneur.
We're yeah.
It's nice, huh, Gerard? It's pretty pimp.
Okay.
Got it for $20 on Amazon.
Okay.
Okay, so that's the last of it.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Pretty hungry right now. Are you hungry? You only had a corn too. Okay,
I am hungry.
I know my booze.
Would you like a
I know.
cupcake?
Should Donald eat the cupcake now or should he wait?
Plain cupcake.
Oh, tell us.
So this cake took about
Yeah.
4 containers of frosting.
Mmm. With hot sauce.
Not with hot sauce. So if you ever want to do this cake, just
I would get
prepare.
5.
I would get 6.
6.
I would get 6.
Oh my gosh, it actually looks pretty nice now.
Do, 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 do.
Now that we're
Do, do.
perfect.
Put, like,
Who wants to get my
on top.
thumbnail picture? Like this.
Go for
It has to be horizontal.
it. Oh, sorry.
If you want to be my social media manager and have to do better than that. Just kidding.
Try harder. Jen.
Try harder, Jen. Okay. There we go. I
What
think
type of an iPad holder is that?
it's from Amazon. We get everything from Amazon. So now I'm just filling in these areas. Look how like it looks so much better when you fill in the areas. Like it just kind of like
Mm-hmm.
just kind of. Should I just keep doing it?
Yeah.
Or just
Try
more?
get edges too.
Yeah, all the edges. This looks so.
Flush.
It's cutesy.
Yeah.
It's perfect for Valentine's Day.
Yeah, it's a Valentine's Day cake. And you could do it in black too if you want. You just get black dye.
Yeah.
If that's your jam. Okay.
Good job.
Should I eat one? I'm hungry.
Yeah, eat it.
Okay.
Here, let me give you one little boop boop. That's all we can afford because we're
Is that it? We don't have any more?
That's it.
That's it. 4 containers of frosting.
Oh, that's empty?
Yeah,
It's
it's empty. But dude, this is pretty. Oh, it's almost done.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to fill the edges right now and just.
Next time I just do a base layer around the sides as
Yeah.
well. But we didn't have enough frosting for that. Confetti.
Yay. Okay.
Alright. Mukbang a cupcake now?
Yeah, it's a mukbang now.
Alright.
Yep.
Every time it's a recipe to a mukbang.
Can you darker? Is there? You can get the edges. You can probably add some stuff to the cupcake.
Okay.
Dip the cupcake in the
In the batter or in the.
Oh, you know what you should do? You should throw the whole cupcake in and eat it like a.
I would do that.
Eat it like a yeah.
Throw it in. Shake
Yeah,
it
start
around.
smashing it up and
Ooh, like pie dreams.
yeah.
Shake Shack ice cream.
There.
Okay.
Kind of sticking.
Dude, it looks nice. I mean,
It does.
Really
Considering.
considering all the trials and tribulations we went through. I'm just kidding.
Didn't do much.
Okay, let's show everyone.
All
Oh my
right,
gosh,
start.
I'm actually really happy with it.
Good.
Okay.
It looks. Okay, I'm gonna move this over. Whoa, it's heavy. Okay. Look how pretty it is.
Woo.
G Roman says looks good. Thank you.
Thank
Does
you.
It does. I'm actually
Awesome.
like. I'm happy with it. Yay!
Aw, yay.
We made a rose cake. Let's fill some of these areas.
First time with a rose cake.
Okay, I'd give.
Sir Pilot.
Okay, what would you give us? Like on a
Yeah.
scale of 1 through 10. Anybody?
10.
Honestly,
Thank you, Jen.
I know it's not a 10.
This
It's-
guy.
I'd give it a 7.
Let's see.
69.
Some rainbow.
Oh no, we gotta delete him.
Yeah.
What was that?
Inappropriate comment.
Got him.
Censored.
You're also the mod.
Okay. Okay, so let's.
Suspect.
I know. We completely ran out of frosting.
Huh?
You're supposed to be
Okay.
Piping in our next
People are-
video.
Okay,
in the
so
future.
should we pipe any of these?
With
You
the
want to do one?
rose?
I don't know. There's no. I think you gotta keep it in there because it's not gonna. There's not gonna be any more.
Let's see.
Nice.
Looks so good.
Whoop. Yep, and that's about
That's about it. That's all
about
we
the
got.
last of the frosting. That didn't do much.
So now we got one cupcake. So thanks for watching. We'll be back tomorrow. We're gonna be making spring rolls at let's say 8 o'clock, 7:38,
Eating this baby.
and we'll be eating this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye
Okay.
guys.
Bye.
Yay!
Who wants a cupcake?
Yes. I want a cupcake.
I'll make I think I have. Yeah. Some. Who wants a quesadilla?
Tina!
Alex says she'll be coming home at 8.